Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us think about: how to look elegant and stylish without breaking the bank. Have you ever felt that elegance is only for the wealthy or those with endless wardrobes? Well, it's time to change that mindset. I promise you, looking polished isn't about how much you spend, it's about how you choose to dress intentionally. In the next few minutes, I'll share some simple yet powerful tips that can transform your style using what you already have or adding just a few key pieces. So, whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to elevate your everyday look, stick around. I assure you, these tricks will not only boost your confidence but also make you feel truly elegant. Are you ready to discover how to shine in your own unique way? Let's jump right into it. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Let's kick things off with our first tip. Avoid visible logos. You might not realize it, but large, flashy logos can often diminish the elegance of your outfit. While they might seem trendy at first, they can overpower your look rather than enhance it. Instead, aim for minimalist designs that focus on silhouette, texture, and quality. Think about it. When you wear a clean, logo-free handbag or a classic white t-shirt, you're allowing your personal style and confidence to shine through. This subtle approach creates a sense of quiet elegance, making you look refined and sophisticated. So, next time you're getting dressed, take a moment to assess your outfit. If it's covered in bold branding, consider swapping it out for something simpler. You'll be amazed at how much more elevated and timeless your look can be with just a few thoughtful choices. What do you think? Do you have a favorite minimalist piece in your wardrobe? Let's talk about it in the comments. Now let's move on to our second tip. Build your wardrobe around a neutral color palette. If you want to look effortlessly elegant, this is a game changer. Shades like cream, beige, white, black, taupe, navy, and gray work beautifully together and create a calming, sophisticated vibe. Having a foundation of neutral colors not only makes it easier to mix and match outfits, but also helps you maintain a polished look. Picture this. A light blue shirt paired with neutral trousers creates a stunning balance of freshness and composure. Once you have those essential neutrals in your wardrobe, you can introduce subtle accent colors like a soft blush or a gentle sage green to add a touch of personality while keeping everything harmonious. Remember, you don't always need to buy new clothes. Just refine how you combine what you already own. This simple adjustment can elevate your entire presence and make you feel more confident in your style choices. What's your go-to neutral color? I'd love to hear about your favorite combinations in the comments. Next up, let's talk about the importance of fit and tailoring, a third tip. No matter how expensive or trendy your clothes are, they won't look good if they don't fit you properly. The secret to appearing effortlessly elegant lies in how well your garments complement your body shape. Tailoring is everything. Imagine high-waisted trousers that fit just right, or a blazer that frames your shoulders perfectly without pulling. These well-fitted pieces flatter and define your silhouette, making you look polished and put together. Remember, oversized doesn't always mean stylish, and tight doesn't always mean flattering. Instead of chasing the latest trends, focus on how your clothes fall on your body. Invest in a few key pieces that are tailored to you, as they will provide structure without sacrificing comfort. When your outfits fit well, you'll not only look better, but also feel more confident and at ease in your own skin. Have you ever had a piece tailored? I'd love to hear about your experiences and how it made you feel in the comments below. Now let's dive into our fourth tip. Keep your basics simple and strong. Basics form the backbone of an elegant wardrobe, so it's essential to choose them wisely. Think about well-made white t-shirts, crisp blue button-ups, and simple blouses. These pieces are timeless and versatile, allowing you to create countless outfits without much effort. Instead of chasing every new trend that pops up, focus on the shape, material, and detail of your basics. A classic white t shirt that holds its shape, a tailored blue shirt with a structured collar, or a striped top that fits perfectly can serve as the foundation for many stylish looks. Make sure your basics are clean, wrinkle free, and well maintained. When you have a strong collection of elevated basics, you'll always have something chic and intentional to wear, whether it's for a casual outing or a more formal event. So, what's your favorite basic piece that you can't live without? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm excited to hear what you have to say. Moving on to our fifth tip, elevate your look with gold or silver jewelry. When it comes to accessorizing, less is often more. Over accessorizing with bulky, glittery pieces can overwhelm your outfit and detract from your overall elegance. Instead, focus on classic, delicate pieces in gold or silver tones as they add a subtle richness and timeless charm. Imagine wearing a simple yet stunning gold bracelet paired with a pair of statement earrings. It's all about creating a sense of harmony and sophistication without going overboard. Thoughtfully chosen jewelry can enhance your style, making you look polished without drawing too much attention away from your outfit. Additionally, a well-selected pair of sunglasses that flatters your face shape can instantly elevate your appearance, giving you that cool and stylish edge. Remember, the goal is to be remembered for all the right reasons, not to compete for attention with flashy accessories. What's your favorite piece of jewelry that you wear to elevate your outfits? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with our unique styles. Now let's explore our sixth tip, using the right belt. A belt is more than just a functional accessory. It can completely change the look of your outfit. Choosing the right belt helps define your silhouette, adds structure, and pulls your entire look together in a sophisticated way. Instead of opting for overly trendy or flashy styles, go for simple leather belts in neutral tones like black, brown, or beige. These colors blend seamlessly with most outfits and provide just the right touch of polish. A thin belt is ideal for dresses or blouses, while a slightly thicker one can enhance trousers or skirts beautifully. When chosen thoughtfully, a belt can act as a subtle centerpiece that highlights your waist and enhances your overall style. This small detail makes a big impact, especially when you're aiming for elegance on a budget. Remember, it's all about the little touches that elevate your look. Do you have a favorite belt that you love to wear? Share your go-to styles in the comments. I can't wait to see how you incorporate this simple accessory into your outfits. Next, let's talk about monochrome outfits, which is our seventh tip. Wearing a single color from head to toe is a classic trick for achieving an effortlessly sophisticated look. Monochrome outfits not only make you appear taller and slimmer, but also create a streamlined, polished appearance with minimal effort. Neutral shades like black, cream, white, and navy are fantastic choices for building monochromatic looks. These colors evoke elegance and sophistication while being incredibly easy to mix and match. Don't be afraid to play with different textures and fabrics within the same color family to add visual interest without losing harmony. You can even experiment with coordinated sets, like a matching vest and pant or vest and skirt combination, which are super trendy right now. These outfits add a touch of structure while ensuring you maintain that clean, polished silhouette. So, have you tried rocking a monochrome look yet? If you haven't, now is the perfect time to give it a go. Share your thoughts and any monochrome outfits you love in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you think. Finally, let's discuss our ninth tip. Believe in yourself and carry confidence. This is perhaps the most essential accessory you can wear. No outfit, no matter how perfectly styled, can truly shine without a strong sense of self-confidence. It's the way you hold yourself, the expression on your face, and the energy you bring into a room that truly makes a difference. When you believe in yourself and embrace your personal style, it reflects in everything you do. Remember, true elegance isn't just about impressing others, it's about honoring yourself and showcasing your unique personality. So trust your taste, refine your style, and let that confidence complete your look. Take a moment to consider what makes you feel powerful and beautiful. Whether it's a special outfit or simply your favorite accessory, let it remind you of your worth. I want to hear from you. What makes you feel confident? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's lift each other up and celebrate our unique styles together. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring as you navigate your journey to looking more elegant and stylish without spending a fortune. Remember, it's all about making intentional choices with your wardrobe and embracing your unique style. We've covered a lot today, from avoiding bold logos to building a versatile wardrobe with neutral colors and focusing on fit and tailoring. Each of these elements plays a significant role in how you present yourself to the world. I encourage you to try out these suggestions and see how they make you feel. Don't forget to share your favorite tips or any new styles you try in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what resonated with you the most. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. And remember, elegance is not just about appearance, it's about confidence and self expression. Until next time, keep shining and embracing your beautiful self.